What's up, everybody? That Car Addict back with you guys with another video. If you haven't been subscribed to the channel before, my name's Armani. This is Ref One. He's always with me.
Hey,
all the car
go
shows.
subscribe right now, man. You're missing out on a lot. I'm telling you.
All right, yeah.
We got a lot of stuff coming out these next few weeks and months. It's gonna blow this channel up. So you know what? Go
right.
subscribe.
So tonight we are at this little meet. I forgot the name of it. Extreme Crave. It's like a specialty defense and some other things like teaching people how to train to defend themselves. But so tonight the event's basically about just people hanging out, and then I think they're gonna play Fast and Furious later on tonight.
Yep.
So I'm just starting the video now. There's a few people here right now. I mean, it started at 7 o'clock. It's 7:19 now, so it won't end until like 11 o'clock. So I don't know if we're gonna stay that long, but I know STL Street Runners. Go subscribe to them. He told me that they're not. People won't be showing up until like 9 o'clock. So we're just gonna be here for a while. So I'll just show you around the cars and everything.
Make sure you get our business cards too.
Right,
get our
business cards
before you head out.
yeah, business cards, everything. If you, I'm sorry, I dropped it. But if you're here and you get one of these, thank you, and like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm saying that now before I end the vlog. And there's like a lot of cars here, like right now. It's like everything over there, all the way over there. I gotta show you guys. There's this car. It's a Triumph GT, and it has an LSX engine in it. Threw me off. I didn't even see it at first, but yeah, I'll show you guys that in a minute. Miata here. That's chalkboard. F1's putting his on there. I put mine on there already.
Wrath 1 right there, baby.
Pretty nice.
Nobody uses it so much.
Wanna be in a YouTube video?
Huh?
Wanna be in a YouTube video? What's your name, kid?
Xander?
Lander. What you put on here? 6'9" and everything?
Yeah. I read a 6'9", you suck.
Yeah. he wrote 6'9" all on the car, saying he sucks. Someone played tic-tac-toe and lost. Wow.
Hey,
How old are you guys?
I'm 7, I'm 7.5. He's 7.5. He rated this.
Oh my god.
You?
Oh man, kids these days. It's like a Triumph.
British.
Is it
British car.
Triumph? Yeah. Like what the?
Triumph. Ah, man, this car is so sick. Oh, so sick.
That's crazy. speaking for me, so. And it's nice integra. What's your name again?
Caleb.
Caleb. Okay.
Caleb.
Caleb's giving us a ride.
What's your name on YouTube again?
I'm Coy.
I'll get it later up in the description about you. Got anything to shout out?
Nice integra.
Alright, nothing to shout out.
Yeah.
We got the Evil Mom. Yeah.
Right, Evil.
Facebook, Instagram.
Evil Mom,
okay,
Facebook,
I'll put that in
Instagram, all that. He's just
They,
giving us a
they,
ride to the gas station. I'm gonna have to make it huge.
What year is it?
99 LS.
We're still at the show. He's just giving us a ride, so
Yeah.
pretty nice
loud.
integra. First integra I've ever been in, to be honest. So. Yeah, this is what we just rode in for a hot second, just to the gas station. You want to give us a ride of it to see how it feels. Right now we're at Phillips 66, and they're getting something to eat or something to snack on. So that's pretty much it. I mean, not it for the video. He just wanted to give us a ride for the video since we're YouTubers. I mean, YouTubers. So after we leave here, we're going back to the meet, and I'm gonna show you guys some more cars. So.
Seen a light skinned nigga with his brains blown out. At the same purpose, there was same doubt. Now this is not a tape recorder saying that.
So tonight they got Fast and Furious playing. They already played Fast and Furious 1. This is Too Fast and Furious. Hopefully I won't get copyrighted for this, but oh well. Nice old classic Ford. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a Chevy. Look like a Ford. Nice wheels, nicely done. Like this Nova. One of my build cars, hopefully. Not soon to the channel, but eventually.
Why did you take your wheels off here?
What? I don't know. I picked these up, so I figured I'd do something crazy with them. I don't know if I like it or not.
Put your stock wheels back on. I like stock wheels. Come on, man.
If I could get away with it, by December.
what's up, everybody? Thanks for watching the video. I know it's a different day because it's Sunday, and me and Rafwan, we're here at Gateway Motorsports for this import face-off thing. So this is gonna be in the next vlog. I just forgot to outro the last video, but thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And for everybody, if you're watching who got the cards that I handed out to you, hit me up anytime. If you got a dope car, I'll do reviews on your car and anything. So yeah, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and
Get our
subscribe.
cards. Get our cards.